Thank you for making business once again. Guys, this could be 420. I just add 20 to make it 500. But I only had 420 for my coins to exchange for a Philippine peso paper bills. Guys and girls, good morning once again to every one of you. This could be my day 20 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. And day 20 for 1 million pesos saving challenge. Congratulations. See that? So if ever you keep money, keep saving money and invest. Right? Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Bye for now. Day 20 for 1 million pesos saving challenge.